Earn $200 a day online. In today's digital age, earning money online has never been easier. Discover the best money-earning apps of 2023 that can help you make $200 a day from the comfort of your home. Become a delivery driver with DoorDash and earn money by delivering food and groceries. Participate in online surveys and provide your opinions to earn cash and gift cards. Link your cards to the Drop app and earn cash rewards for purchases at your favorite retailers. Love pets? Become a pet sitter or dog walker through Rover and earn money. Compete in skill-based mobile games and tournaments to earn money with skills. Earn gift cards by playing a variety of mobile games on Misplay. Take surveys, watch videos, and complete online tasks to earn cash with inbox dollars. Get fit while earning money with Sweatcoin by tracking your outdoor steps. Complete surveys, watch videos, shop online, and search the web to earn swag bucks. Earn cash back on online purchases through Rakuten and get a $10 sign-up bonus. Make money by picking and delivering groceries to customers with Instacart. Save money by negotiating bills and finding subscription cancellations with Trim. Complete online tasks and activities to earn cash rewards with CashKick. Share your opinions through surveys and earn points for PayPal Cash or gift cards. Offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to earn money. Earning $200 a day online is achievable with these apps and strategies. Research and choose the options that align with your skills and financial goals. Start boosting your income from home today.